Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y72 and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. So to get started you want to hold the power key. From there select power off. And once the device turns off you want to hold the power key and the volume up at the same time. And there we go. We now put it into recovery, or not recovery, but fastboot mode. So from here you will have to use volume keys to navigate through the two options that you have. So we have reboot, which takes us back to Android, and then we have recovery mode, which obviously takes us to recovery mode. But because I just want to get back to Android, I'm gonna stick with reboot and then confirm the selection with power key. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.